TradeView TraderPro. How to place bracket orders. Software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss placing simple buy and sell orders from the depth of market, or in short, DOM. Getting started. If a DOM is not already open, go to Menu Bar, File, New, DOM. Then type in a symbol under Contract and press OK. By default, the option Link to Quotes on the toolbar may be enabled. This will allow you to switch symbols by left-clicking on the quote board. Market orders. First, check the desired quantity is entered. If the order quantity is 0, buttons will be disabled. To enter position with a market order, click on the Buy or Sell market buttons at the bottom. Then, confirm the order and press OK. Your position will appear in upper left corner stating the number of contracts and average position price. A black arrow will appear next to the closest tick price. A black arrow on the left indicates a long position, and on the right, a short position. To disable order confirmations, you can check the box, "Do not ask this again." This is not recommended, as confirmations will be disabled. Limit orders. To place a buy limit order, hover over the green bid column and left-click at the desired price. Confirm the order details and press OK. You'll see the order working in the white column left of the order price. Please note, placing a limit order above the current market price will essentially fill at market, since the market price is better than the specified limit price. To disable placing limit orders above market on the buy side, click on the gear icon labeled Options. Uncheck the option Allow Limit Above Market in the bottom corner labeled Orders and press OK. This will also disable placing limit orders below the market on the sell side. To place a sell limit order, hover over the red Ask column and left-click at the desired price. Confirm the order details and press OK. Stop orders. To place a buy stop, hover over the green bid column and right-click at the desired price. You may only place stop orders above the last trade price. The last trade price is typically highlighted and will also show the last trade volume at the exchange. Confirm the order details and press OK. To place a sell stop, hover over the red Ask column and right-click at the desired price. You may only place stop orders below the last trade price. Confirm the order details and press OK. Modify and cancel orders. To modify the order quantity, left-click on the working order in the white column. Then, select the new quantity. Click Yes to confirm. To modify the price, drag and drop to a new price. Click Yes to confirm. To cancel an order, right-click on the working order in the white column. Click Yes to confirm.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.